Onsongo.
Yeah.
As I told you.
Yes.
We are now in Mombasa.
Yeah.
You see now today.
Yeah.
I will be a professional coach. I'm a professional swimmer.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't cheat yourself.
Why?
Do not cheat yourself.
I'm a professional swimmer. No, I'm just taking a break.
Why are you cheating people?
Today I'm not swimming.
Why are you cheating?
Today I'm teaching you.
Say you are afraid of water.
No, I like swimming.
No, say you are afraid of water.
Afraid of? I've never been afraid. I've told you I'm a professional swimmer.
You are afraid of water.
Which water?
Look the way even you are putting your trousers. Look the way you are putting your trousers.
No.
Look the way you look. Are you looking a professional man for swimming?
No, you see, Onsongo.
Yes.
I brought you to swim, not me.
Yes.
Yes. I'm the swimmer. You are the swimmer. Me, I'm the watcher.
You do not cheat.
You are the swimmer. I'm the watcher.
If you do not know how to swim.
Okay, go and swim. I want to see if you can swim.
Okay, wait small.
Go and swim. Wait small. What?
Why are you pushing me like that?
Go and swim.
This is me. I paid myself.
I've paid for you everything, and you are standing here with me. Go and swim.
Why are you pushing
Go
me?
and swim. Why you?
Wait small.
Wait small. What is wait small?
Wait small.
Go and swim, my friend.
Wait, I go now.
Go there. Go deep end.
Okay.
You said you are a professional. Go and deep end.
Okay.
Come inside. Do you know how to swim? We are trying. Onsongo, you have to swim, oh.
Why you?
Like this. Wait first. Let him first me shoot a video. You have to swim. What are you doing?
Okay, wait, you see.
Why are you swimming just low end?
I was joking.
You are joking.
Now I'm serious.
You see others are there.
Yes.
You are here.
Me, I was joking.
Now
I'm serious.
You are serious.
I was joking.
I want you to swim.
I was joking.
You are sitting down.
Oh, I do now.
Okay. Yes.
Nimetafuta mermaid.
Nimetafuta
mermaid. Bado sijaipata.
Umetafuta mermaid? Uko juu umeenda deep kabisa?
Nimeenda mpaka huko ndani. Nikarudi.
Umeenda mpaka wapi?
Nimeenda mpaka India.
Wapi?
Mpaka India.
Umeenda mpaka India?
Nimetafuta mermaid, sipati.
Umeenda mpaka India? India kutafuta mermaid?
Yes.
It is it?
Nimetoka India.
You have been traveling?
Yes, nimekuja ocean. Nimetafuta ocean, sipati.
Show us your skills now. You can let's swim. I want to see your skills. Make sure you're not walking on water. I want to see you. Remove this thing. Remove this thing. This tire.
Okay.
Remove this. I want you to swim without this one.
Okay.
You said you want to know how to swim. Let's swim without it. Come this side, oh. You will go. Onsongo.
Yes.
Nini tena?
Hii nimeshika samaki. Hii ni samaki. Mimi nilikuwa natafuta mermaid. Nimetafuta samaki nikapata hii.
Umetafuta mermaid ukakosa? Sasa umeshika nini?
Hii.
Hebu nione. Weka mbali nione. Hii ni samaki?
Hii ni samaki. Inakuliwa.
Inakuliwa hii?
Yes.
Ndugu yangu, hii ni samaki kweli?
Huyo ni samaki, anaitwa ni samaki mwingine mzuri sana.
Anaitwa nani?
Wageni wanampenda. Huyo anaitwa crabs. Crabs bro. Kwa majina anaitwa Karisa. Na mimi sana na dila mambo ndani ya maji. That's why niko na rafiki yangu.
Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Karisa Mgiriama.
Karisa Mgiriama.
Half fish.
Half fish. Wewe unafanya wizara ya maji?
Mimi nafanya wizara ya maji, ndani ya maji.
Ndani ya maji? Kabisa.
Nimekushua jamaa kwa safety wakija enjoy. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana Nairobi, na Nakuru, Eldoret.
Karibia Mombasa.
Kisumu huko London. Nyote mnakaribia hapa.
Kuja hapo watafute nani?
Watafute bwana Karisa.
Karisa mwenyewe.
Half fish. One love. Karibuni sana.
Safi. Onsongo. Ndio samaki tu tupike sasa. Sasa
Hey.
Huyu amecheka Onsongo, amecheka. Ngoja uone, alikuwa anacheka.
Hey, mimi naogopa.
Samaki cramp, inaitwa cramp.
Mshike.